What is your significant learning experience in each modules that made an impact on you as a Retronite, a member of a family, church, and society? Um, each module gave me a lesson that helped me grow as a person. I become more aware of my strengths and weaknesses as a Letronite. I learned to appreciate and support my family more. I reconnected with my faith by practicing kindness daily. Daily become more responsible and grounded in my values. And how was your learning journey during the semester? My fourth journey this semester was meaningful and reflective. It encouraged me to look deeper into who I am and how I can improve. Through the activities and reflection, I became more aware of my action and learned how to connect my values to my daily overall for help me grow just as a student, but it's a person.